In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report on Expensify 2025. If you're looking to streamline your expense management process, Expensify is a fantastic tool that can help you keep track of your spending in a structured and efficient way. Today, we're diving into the simple process of creating a report on Expensify so you can manage your expenses with ease. To get started, you'll want to locate the big, circular green button with a plus sign. This button is your gateway to creating a new report. Depending on whether you're using the web interface or the mobile app, the location might differ slightly. On the web, you'll typically find this button at the bottom left corner of your main dashboard. Meanwhile, on the mobile app, it usually resides in the bottom right corner. This consistent placement makes it easier for you to find, regardless of which platform you're using. Once you've found this button, go ahead and tap or click on it. Doing so will reveal a menu with various options. It's as simple as that. A user-friendly design intended to streamline your interaction with the app. In this menu, you'll want to select the Create Report option if you're starting from scratch. This choice will allow you to begin setting up a blank report to which you can add all the necessary details for your expense tracking. After selecting Create Report, you'll be prompted to fill in the details. This step is crucial as it helps ensure your report is accurate and complete. Here, you'll enter or verify important expense details such as the merchant, the amount spent, the date of the transaction, and the category that best describes the nature of the expense. Taking the time to carefully input these details not only helps with organization, but also makes it a breeze to review your expenses later on. With the details filled in, the final step is to save the expense. By doing so, your newly created expense will automatically be added to your list of unreported expenses. This feature allows you to keep track of expenses that haven't yet been filed into a formal report, giving you the flexibility to add them at your convenience. Once you've gathered all necessary expenses, you can proceed with generating a comprehensive report. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a report on Expensify. By following these steps, you can ensure that your financial records are meticulously maintained, saving you time and effort in the long run. Whether you're managing personal finances or company expenditures, Expensify makes it easy to stay organized. Thanks for tuning in, and happy expense tracking.